Simcenter 3D Additive Manufacturing introduces Octree, non-uniform voxel meshing, designed to accelerate simulation of large builds while preserving resolution in the features that matter. For large parts and dense support structures, simulation time can quickly limit design iteration and decision-making. With Octree meshing, Simcenter 3D allocates resolution, where it influences physics, reducing unnecessary compute in uniform regions. Octree meshes are optimized for scale. Coarse cells in low gradient areas refine cells around critical features. The outcome is a more efficient discretization for demanding powder bed fusion models, without losing the detail required for informed decisions. Octree meshing balances fidelity and cost across the part and supports. With early volume fraction insight, you can confirm support behavior before committing compute. Geometry adaptive Octree resolution preserves detail where thermal gradients and distortion risk change, while keeping the overall model efficient at scale.